Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily reset your Sharp TV. So first, let's start off by going to the settings and here scroll down to system. Now go to about and here click reset, click factory reset, and now click factory reset right here. Now click erase everything and then you won't be able to undo this action. So basically it will delete all of your personal information, every data it has collected, and downloaded apps. So be careful with that. Now after you click erase everything, it will be brought back to the default settings. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.